We are boondocking at Big Bend National Park.
Thanks to LiTime. Hey guys, Tanya and David, and we're out side by side.
LiTime reached out to us to do a review on their 320 amp hour mini lithium ion phosphate battery, and we are so happy to do so because we absolutely love this battery. We're going to show you a review in hopes that you'll love it as well.
We are at Big Bend National Park, and we are primitive camping, and we are having a ball. One of the things we wanted to be able to do was to extend our time out in the wilderness while we're boondocking. And this battery is really a beast. As you can see, it's not very big. They call it the mini. And what I wanted to do was show y'all our existing battery, which is 100 amp hours, and this is 320 amp hours. So if you put 3 of these and you wired them all together, they would be much larger than this one. That was one of the things that was very appealing to me, was because it was easier for us to set up. We only needed the 2 wires. We didn't need to do any jumpers. The operating voltage is 12.8 volts. The charging voltage is 14.4 volts. The recommended charge current is 64 amps. The maximum continuous discharge current is 200 amps. And the max continuous output power is 2,560 watts. The measurements on this thing are 7.64 inches deep by 15 inches wide and 9.7 inches tall. We do have a basic solar panel setup. It's 165 watts, and we have been using this battery for quite some time, and we're not having any issues at all with just that one solar panel and our small 40 amp charge controller. And it's really keeping the battery topped off when we're on the road and when we get to camp. It really hasn't been a problem at all with this 320 amp hour setup. And I'm very happy with the size of it and how compact it is.
So LiTime is a company that manufactures and sells lithium iron phosphate batteries for several applications, including marine, RV. Another cool thing is they have an app that connects to Bluetooth that helps you monitor your battery's state of charge, which is awesome because it gives you the ability to measure your battery's status and performance. These batteries are known to have great high performance as well as longevity, which can last 10 years or more.
So what I did is when we got our LiTime battery, I had to upgrade my box for it as it was a little bit larger than our other battery, as I just showed you. I got one of these metal boxes from Harbor Freight. It's a tongue box. It's steel, and you can lock it. And you can see how the battery fits in here. It fits really, really nice. They have some great cable connectors with some protective buttons that you can put on top. And it fits in here very well. This battery does have low voltage protection to where if it is below 32 degrees, it will not charge, which keeps it from destroying the battery. And I've really been impressed with the performance on this. We have been using it for a couple weekends, and we turn our charger off and just let the battery take over on all the 12 volt for the trailer, and it's been doing great with the solar panel and the charge controller. We don't even have to worry about it anymore. We're using it all night long. We're running all our lights. It runs our 12 volt fridge perfectly. Most of the time when we're camping, we are in campgrounds where we can plug in and keep the battery topped off, but where we're at this weekend, it's just us out here in the middle of nowhere. And it's been working great, and I've been very happy with it so far. LiTime has a great app. It's a Bluetooth app that you can use on your iPhone or your Android phone. And here's your device or your battery. You can add multiple batteries. It currently shows that we're 94% state of charge. If you click on it, it actually shows the state of charge, 92%. We're currently discharging. It gives you your estimated hours and your remaining usage time. So it shows you the voltage, the amperage that's currently pulling. If you're charging, the minus sign will go away and it'll actually show you how many amps is charging. It shows the watts that's currently being used or the load on the battery. And it also shows you the capacity. Right now we're at 294 amp hours out of 320. And it's very simple. It's not cluttered. It's really just the basic stuff that you need to know. It also shows you that your battery is balanced. It shows you that your cells are normal. And the BMS, or the battery management system, is currently working, and it's at a normal and it's running smoothly.
All right, guys, if you're looking for a wonderful battery, we highly recommend this battery. Check out our discount code right here. We will have their website below where you can click on it. You can purchase this on their website, on Amazon, and even eBay.
This battery has been a game changer for us, and I'm so glad that LiTime reached out to us to do a review on their battery. I really have been impressed, and I can't wait for us to use it more and more in the future.
Yes, we're going to enjoy the rest of our weekend here at Big Bend National Park. If you like videos like these, don't forget to share with your friends. If you know of somebody that's looking for a great battery to boondock with their travel trailer, this is one we highly recommend. We'll see you on the next video.
Thank you for watching.